how to connect an Xbox controller to your laptop or PC. Welcome to this tutorial. This is very easy, straightforward. So you want to come right down to your Windows button right there. Click on that, type in settings. Then go to settings. Now from here you want to come over to Bluetooth and devices. Click on this right here. As you can see we already have one connected, but we're going to remove this device. So, remove device, it should do. Yep, it's gone. Now from here as you can see, we have devices. Add device, click on this, or you can just click on right there, add device. Now at the moment, what you want to do is turn on your Xbox controller. I'm sure you can see this, I'll put a picture on the screen. And on the top left of the controller is the Wi-Fi button, right there. You just click on that as well, so your Xbox colour should start blinking pretty fast. Your device, would you like this? Yes, of course. Unknown device. Oh no, we shall stop this for a second. So again, come back to add device. And what you want to do is right here, everything else, Xbox controllers, wireless. But you can come up to here if you like. You can do Bluetooth or everything else. Let's just try Bluetooth. And there it is right there, Xbox, wireless controller. Now again, make sure you clicked on the Xbox controller's on and you clicked on the top left button, the little Wi-Fi button with 3 lines. Now this should pick it up any moment now. There it is right there. Just want to click on it. It says connecting. And there we go, Xbox wireless controller connected. And the Xbox controller will be lighting up, and you just press done. And there it is, that is connected right there. Little green circle means you're connected. So even if you turn this off, the Xbox controller and the PC or laptop, next time you turn it on, it should automatically connect when you turn on the Xbox controller. And there you go, you can just click out this, go into Steam, play whatever games you want with your Xbox controller. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.